Inside this box is a fake Land Rover Defender that we bought in China for around $4,000. We've unboxed a fake Range Rover before, but a Land Rover is designed for off-roading.
We're of course going to unbox it, pull it out and check out the features and compare it to the real Defender. We're then going to take it to an off-road adventure park and put it through some extreme testing. Oh. Welcome to Unboxed.
Let's do this.
Let's get started.
There we go. Ooh. Ready? Hey, there it is. Keep going. No one died?
Is that it?
Ready?
Yeah, ready. Let's see the front.
Go.
Woo. She's free.
There it is.
That's ridiculous.
Is it the same size as the Range Rover?
It might be smaller.
I think it's smaller.
Let's get this plastic off so we can have a decent look. Hold that out.
Oh yeah, gloss black.
Premium gloss black.
Yeah.
Okay.
There it is. Wow. Yeah, I mean, it's a Defender. I mean, they have the lights and the grille and everything. Wow.
They've gone the two-tone look. They've copied that one. The lights are so similar.
Over here, you know, the seal is fine. It's like under the light and then it like ends up popping out completely.
Oh, check this out.
Oh yeah, there it is.
They've got the spot for the Land Rover badge.
Yeah.
But they haven't actually put it on there.
Yeah, they don't have the balls to actually put the brand on it, you know?
Well, we did the Ram and they flat out just went Ram across the front of that.
Okay.
So I don't know.
Okay.
Maybe different department.
All right. Is this for towing or what is this? I don't even know what the real Land Rover.
Towing. This is for cooling, obviously. These
the intakes. I feel like we have to do that. Let's see. I think that this is sturdier than the Range was.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, let's have a look at the rest of it. I mean, honestly, the wheels are hilarious every time we see one of these.
I love this design though.
Yeah.
It's a plastic cover, but
Yeah,
it looks
yeah.
great. It looks like an alloy wheel. Long way, so they should last a long time anyway. That's the brand.
The long way?
Long way, yeah.
Okay. Long way. And you got little cargo racks up here.
That's nice. Or
I'm not sure I trust like a snowboard on this.
snowboard. I don't know whether I'd trust cardboard on that. What's that up on the roof? Is that like a sunlight? We'll have a look at that from the inside. Back end, yeah, I mean, it's pretty iconically Defender. We've of course got to mention this. So
Yeah. Wow.
That's your computer charger.
Yeah. Yeah. And don't forget again that the price of this is around $4,000.
Which is like an expensive MacBook.
Yeah.
Well, let's get everything cleaned up and get the real Defender in here so we can do a proper comparison. Boom!
All right.
Here it is, the comparison you want.
There it is, next to each other. So let's have a little bit of a closer look.
Seeing them side by side, you can really see the difference now.
I say 60% of the length of the real deal.
Yeah. If you say it's 60% of the size, it's definitely not 60% of the price, so.
Yeah, exactly. But you know, you can feel like the quality here, you know, like this feels really sturdy. I feel like.
Whereas,
take a look at the wheel size. I mean, that's like something that's pretty shocking. These are giant and they feel proportionate to the car.
I feel like the wheels on this one though are in better proportion than the Range and the Dodge Ram we did.
Really?
This I don't think it's quite as bad, but it's still ridiculous.
Engine bay time.
Under the hood,
Almost
wow.
nothing.
Looks like the hood in there. Hey, coming to the back,
Yeah.
let's have a look.
So see, this is where I have a problem because the front looks like a Defender, but the back, if you didn't see the rest of the car, you wouldn't be able to tell.
I think there's a fair difference going on here.
And this is the back.
Throw me the keys here.
Oh, you're gonna, yeah.
Also the fact that you need a key to open this. So, how's the,
Yeah. And that's your trunk space. You can probably fit like an A4 sheet of paper stacked vertically.
I can fit the keys in there.
Oh, damn. Wow, look at this. You can just... Oh, okay.
Oh, it folds. Okay.
There's no like clicker. You just push it. Oh, wow. Okay. That's like... Oh, man. Oh, wow. Holy crap. You can like just lift the entire back.
Is that just sitting there?
Oh! It's All right. This is a whole different story. Wow,
you
okay.
actually discovered something. So it's a 2-seater or a 4-seater.
Yeah, now you can actually like sit back here. Wow.
I'm gonna guess that's a hatch to a whole lot of nothing. Oh, okay. The battery.
Close it up.
Yep. So compare that to the back over here.
Yeah.
These seats also fold forward, but you got a lot more space back here.
Yeah.
Okay, let's turn it on and have a look at this inside.
You know, it's actually kind of spacious. Like, I'm fine. You know, I have room for my legs, and like, there's a lot of, you know, height on it, surprisingly. You know,
Heaps of headroom,
it feels a lot bigger on the inside than how it looks on the outside,
Yeah.
I think.
The thing I'm noticing straight away again, which has been on every single model, is this accelerator and brake situation. I don't know why they insist on putting the accelerator in the middle of the car. So we've got new energy again. Same steering. I think it's just copy and paste for the steering wheel. But I feel like they've done a little bit of an upgrade on the infotainment here.
It's not bad.
What do we got?
Oh.
We're gonna get Chinese radio, or? So they've gone with this fake wood paneling, which is quite nice actually.
I like it. It also has little waves drawn on it.
So this here, I'm pretty sure, is like a bit of a copy of the Defender. But the controls are quite weird. They're actually right by your knee, which is exactly where your knee has to go because of the position of the accelerator panel. Your knee's gonna be right on that control. You getting some air there? I think they're just fans. I don't know whether it's aircon. I think it's just fans blowing.
Again, for the price, there's so much going on. You get touch screens and gear selectors, and this thing moves, and it can carry 5 people.
They did get this much better.
Yeah.
This selector is so much better than in the Range Rover. Like, it just actually...
Yeah. The other one, you had to like force it.
Yeah, it was
felt like
awful.
You were breaking it.
Bit of nice fake carbon fiber there. I mean, I'm sure it's real.
I mean, it looks good.
And one feature that has been on every Chinese vehicle is there we go.
Oh wow, yeah. You can have like a vertical TikTok mirror.
And I guarantee that will fall off at the most inopportune moment.
Yeah.
Should we go to the back?
Yeah. So this is where the magic happens. Oh, that is a stiff seat. Damn.
Unbelievably stiff.
There's like zero cushion on that. Those are the lights we were talking about.
So I'm not sure how they do that. I think that must be like LED lights behind the panel.
Let's go take a look at the actual real Land Rover Defender.
Let's do it.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Now,
this is nice.
This is a nice place to be. And we're in the Defender, the real Defender.
Honestly, I almost forgot how nice Defenders are on the inside. I don't know if it's because we just came from that, but...
It definitely makes you appreciate it more when you've been sitting in that.
Yeah, but it's a really nice car. Like, you have the leather.
The multi-tone is really nice in it too.
You have the little curved touchscreen display right there.
There's probably too many features to talk about in here, but it's just a comfortable place.
This is the black edition, so the price of this is around $130,000, $140,000.
You get all the bells and whistles.
Yeah, it's a VIP off-roader. Yeah. Right, those are the cars, and it's time to take them off-roading. This one's designed for that.
And this one's designed for retirement villages.
Yeah, so let's see what happens.
Let's go. Before we get to the testing, I just wanted to mention SBXcars.com, our new premium online car auction platform. You can check out the link in the description below. We're heading to a test site to push the Chinese Defender's off-road capabilities to the extreme in uphill, rough terrain, and side slopes.
All right, we're here. This is called X-Quarry Adventure. We're here to take these cars and put them to an extreme off-road test. Let's see what happens. All right. There we go.
Lead the way.
Ooh. A lot of sound. What the f? Look at Look at this. This is my AC. Oh, no way. Look at that. These are like computer fans.
The only uncomfortable thing is the dust that thing kicks up.
First hill climb. Dude, we're actually making it up the hill. I don't know why I thought we weren't gonna make it. I mean, it's a bouncy ride, that's for sure. Oh yeah, we're on the gravel. Yeah! Swerving.
Test number 1, extreme hill climb. We're attempting to climb a 45-degree angle ramp, which is pretty much the maximum steepness that just about any car is able to handle.
That's what you guys want me to do? I'm actually gonna try that with this? Really? That thing?
Before Sergi attempts to climb the ramp in our cheap knockoff, Let's see how the real Defender handles it. Okay. Now I'm just going to show you this. This is how you put it in low range. Neutral, low range here. I'll press this and watch this. It'll lift up so you get extra clearance. Now I'm ready to go.
Ramp of death. Ramp of death.
If I've got to go through this, you've got to go through it. So get in. Get in.
1 second. I'm going to close the window just in case if we roll or something, you know. I'm not gonna risk any arms going out there. Oh. Oh my god, that is rough. That is bad, dude. How are we not flipping back? Don't accelerate, you crazy! Just keep the speed. Holy crap! Oh man. Oh, I don't even know if you can appreciate it on camera, but it's a terrible experience.
You wait until you go down. I don't like going down.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh my god!
Ready?
Oh! Wow! Holy crap!
Oh no!
Holy
Not done like this.
That is so steep. That is crazy. Wow. Oh. Okay, we're safe.
You just feel like you're gonna crush the front bumper.
It feels like you're gonna flip over.
Now that was terrifying on the real Defender. Time to see if the Chinese copy can come anywhere close to the real deal.
Yeah, right, dude. I mean, look at this. This is a wall. You ready? Oh, that's vertical. Woo! All right, flooring it. Oh! That's crazy because I'm holding it too. I'm gonna, 1 second. Oh! Nobody has ever tested this car like this. I think that when the Chinese factory sees this footage, they're gonna ask us if they can use it for marketing purposes, you know? I'm getting an emergency Chinese message. Pingyangsu. Okay, I'm releasing. Whoa!
And that's unfortunately a fail for the Chinese car. It's time for test number 2, the big axle twister. Let's find out how these two cars compare on rough terrain. Okay, hop in. This thing is just going to cruise on over. Okay, Sunday leisurely drive. It's because you've got independent suspension. No wheels off the ground here. An easy, smooth ride for the real Defender, as you would expect on a $130,000 car. Can our $4,000 car compete with the Defender's suspension?
Twister time, twister time. What the? You think that sounds okay? We're not gonna catch on fire? Dude, I don't know, man. I'm kind of stuck. Wow, that sound was freaking crazy. So loud. Momentum. Oh! Damn. Oh, I think I almost got a concussion with this thing inside of my head. Oh, man.
And that's a pass for the Chinese knockoff. Not the smoothest, but it got through in one piece. Now for our third and final test, the extreme side angle drive. This might really strain our Chinese car. But first, let's try it with the real Defender. Let's go to the front camera. There we go. Exactly. See, we can just see nicely there. Up we go.
Whoa!
Easy as that, look. Little camera there.
It's close, man. I don't know. Look at that rim. I mean, that is right there.
That makes it very easy. Defender passed the test with flying colors, but we're not so confident the cheap copy will do quite as well.
This potentially is gonna ruin the car, crush Nathan. You're gonna get a headache. Are we like hanging or something?
Yes, you're hanging. Oh, that's terrifying.
Keep coming a little bit. Yeah, keep coming. Keep it straight.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh man. There we go, that was easy.
While it needed a bit of a push, surprisingly, the fake Defender has once again managed to make it through alive, and that's good enough for us.
Well, despite how sketchy that felt sometimes and the suspicious sounds, it actually handled everything pretty well. You know, for the price you're paying, it survived, it did great, so it's a good value.
And I actually had a pretty good time in this thing.
Yeah,
It was very cruisy, except for that hill. I could take or leave that.
I could tell it looked pretty cozy.
Yeah, it was nice.
So must be nice. But anyways, huge thanks to SBX Cars for sponsoring this video.
And let us know which Chinese mini car would you like to see in the comments.
Yep, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys next time.
See you in the next one.